Hey there, thanks for tuning in to September's installment of Committee Connections. I am DK Rankin, the Vice Chair of the PR and Web Page Design Committee.
And I'm Angela Horner, the Chair of the PR and Web Design Committee. Community service, again, has been busy helping and being involved in the community. Congratulations to Caldwell Banker for being the winning office in collecting 112 pounds of food for our Back to School August food drive. They are continuing our ongoing collection of plastic bags. Anytime you're at the office and have plastic bags to drop off, please leave them. They go towards making mats for the homeless in the community. And in our general membership meeting, we are collecting items to support the troops. So there is a list of items you'll see out on social media and out on the flyer for that meeting to bring to that to help and support our troops in the community.
Now on to our Programs and Events Committee. This committee this month has worked extremely hard to make sure we finalize all the last details for our general membership meeting, which is September 30th. You can already register on the EPBR's website. They have also started planning for installation for our 2023 President and Board of Directors, which will be held in January.
The Forms Committee is continuing work on all of our contract addendums and forms, and this month they discussed the seller's net sheet and short sale forms and contingencies.
This month on the Legislative Committee, we have been focusing on getting politicians and legislators to our general membership meeting for a panel discussion. We are proud to announce that we do have 8 legislators that will be in attendance, as well as our CEO of WVAR, Ray Joseph, and the CEO of the Real Estate Commission, Jerry Forum.
For the membership committee, we're continuing to grow here at Eastern Panhandle Board of Realtors. The committee yesterday approved 11 new members with provisional membership, 3 affiliates, and 4 new offices. This brings our total to 837 total members.
This month on the PR and Web Page Design Committee, we focused on integrating our YouTube library onto our website. We are going to be having a quick link that will be right under our banner session that will take you to our YouTube channel that is loaded with tons of information, including past lunch and learns. We do have our education committee focusing on having forms put on there as well. And of course, you get to see our lovely faces on Committee Connections.
The Education Committee was busy planning education opportunities for our membership at the meeting yesterday. If you're a new member, please take advantage, and it's required, of the membership orientation. One is on October 20th at 5 p.m. and the last one for the year will be on December 1st at 11 a.m. There was also discussion on planning our big CE Day. Stay tuned for more details for that to be coming in April. October 12th, you don't want to miss our next Lunch and Learn. Robert Helmick will be discussing mold topics, and lunch is going to be provided by Kendall Burke with Homespire Mortgage. And always don't forget to continue checking out our YouTube channel for our Education Connection videos. This is providing education to our membership on topics on forms and changes within the contract.